People. We are back at it. I apologize for the inordinately long period of time between my last video. Life's been life. But we're onto some pine now. We are trying to work our way through these couple big piles over here. And some of it's a little newer, some of it's a little older. There's some spruce mixed in there. We got red pine, we got white pine, we got every kind of pine. And what we're going for, 8x8s, 10x10s, 6x6s. And I'm taking as many 2x6s out as I cant it down as I can, because those sell. So that's the situation, people. Stand by.